So what's the best side hustle that you can start today to quit your 9-to-5 job? Is it Amazon FBA, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, Forex trading, couch flipping, or just starting a local business? There are hundreds of things out there, but I'm going to show you literally the best one that has personally helped me never to have to ever work a day again in my life. And it could possibly help you quit your 9-to-5 job and join this new revolution of making money online. Now, what's up, everybody? My name is Ronnie, aka Dad Learns Money, and this is going to be a brand new series that I'm starting that is going to teach you how to quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, this is going to be the first video of a lot of videos I'm going to put out over the course of these past few days and weeks to help you learn how to quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, before I show you the best side hustle or the best business that you can use to quit your 9-to-5 job, I want you to know that before I got to where I am right now, I tried tons of stuff out there and I let myself down because they were all horrible. I think I might have tried every side hustle out there, and maybe if you're on this same journey, you've probably tried a lot of them as well. So I just want you to know it wasn't always sunshine and rainbows. I lost a lot of money. I pulled my hair out just to get to where I am and learn what I finally figured out to make me a lot of money online. But once I learned it and figured it out, it has completely changed my life and also my family's life. But first, I want to show you what I learned so that you can learn it too, so that you can avoid all the mistakes that I made in the beginning. Like I said, in the very beginning, it wasn't always like this. I started out just like some of you, and I was frustrated, and I was a parent and a husband, and I hated my job. I worked 12 to 15 hours a day. I would get up in the morning before my kids and my wife was awake, and sometimes when I would come home, they were already asleep, and so I barely got to see my family, and I was way behind on my income goals, and I felt overwhelmed and I felt unfulfilled in life. I just dreaded life. I was depressed and I was sad. Now, the crazy thing for me, I never got the courage to just walk off my job and quit. Well, fortunately, life happened, so I started my online business journey after I was fired from my job not long after the pandemic, and I ended up being evicted from my home with my wife and my kids. So when the pandemic hit, that process caused me to get laid off from my job, and I ended up not making any money, and then bills and everything started to pile up, and we eventually got evicted and we were thrown out on the street. So at one point in my life, I was completely broke and I didn't know what to do, and my skills were really limited. As most of all my life, I kind of like did retail work. I was a manager for a long amount of time, and I kind of looked down on myself. I didn't think I had achieved anything. I was just a general manager of a retail store, and I felt like my life was completely over and I didn't know what to do next. And plus, at this time, man, this was probably the lowest point of my life. Me and my family, we lived in homeless shelters and we slept in our car for months. And when I first got started in this journey, this was like so hard. And it was like I said, honestly, the lowest point in my life. But I'm still grateful that I went through that situation, because that was when I told myself that I'm going to do whatever it takes to get us out of this awful situation. So after feeling so low and feeling so embarrassed that I didn't feel like a man or a good husband to my wife or a great father to my kids, that's when I started my journey trying to figure out how to make money online. And when I tell you guys, I really went all into this. I put everything out of my mind that didn't focus on generating income online. But it didn't get better as fast as I would like. Unfortunately for me, I spent hundreds of dollars of money I didn't have, and I wasted months of time trying to figure out, how these gurus were making large commissions. And when I say seriously, I seriously tried everything. Like I said, from crypto to Forex to multi-level marketing and network marketing. I tried drop shipping, Amazon FBA, eBay, print on demand. Seriously, I lost count of all my effort. And I almost gave up after so much failure, but I finally found the answer after spending thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours of wasted time. And I struck gold, and I found the most profitable way to ride this financial freedom wave. Now, I realized why I wasn't having success in the past class right before I struck gold because I figured out what I was doing wrong in the beginning. All right, for one thing, I was trying to create my own products in the beginning. So I remember when I was doing Amazon FBA, I would source and find out products to put in the store, or I would go on sites like AliExpress and Alibaba to get source products coming from China, and I would list those products on Amazon. But I was losing a lot of money because you had to put those products in a storage facility and they would charge you inventory fees. So if you didn't make any money, you still had to pay those inventory fees, and I was wasting tons and tons of money. That was one of the things I knew I was doing wrong. I didn't have a fan base, I didn't have a large following, I didn't have a brand, and I was trying to sell products to cold traffic. And then I also learned about upfront costs that I was paying was too much. Like to get started with crypto or Forex, you had to have $1,000 and $2,000, $3,000, sometimes $5,000 and $6,000 to get started. And just like I said about Amazon and FBA, man, I had to buy tons of inventory, so you would save money if you bought in bulk. So you wanted to make sure you had all the products ready, so when you had got orders, the orders could get shipped out and the customers wouldn't have to wait. Spent hundreds and thousands of dollars just for products, and I wasn't even selling them just to pay more money to have them sitting in a storage facility. And another thing, man, I kept annoying my friends and my family to buy my products. They didn't care about the stuff like network marketing and multi-level products from like lotions and potions, all of that stuff, right? And this crazy thing, it took all of my free time. So whenever I was not doing anything, I was always working on that right there, and I was really not getting anywhere. But it took a lot of my time to where I couldn't even do anything else except work on this. And it's not really beginner friendly. All the things that I was doing and learning for, like, for example, like Forex and crypto trading is not easy, and I wouldn't recommend it to anybody who's just starting out. It's very difficult to learn. Learning about Amazon and Amazon FBA and print on demand and getting all that stuff is very, very difficult if you're just starting out this process. Also, if you're working a 9-to-5 job, you're trying to do this on the side, it's gonna be, your work-life balance is gonna be way off. Something is gonna lose in this process. Something's gonna lack in this process because you're gonna be tired when you come home, and you're gonna be tired when you go to work because you're trying to figure out and trying to do all these crazy things. This is what I discovered for myself, was that this was just way too much in what I was doing wrong. So let me introduce to you, without further ado, the best business model that has worked for me and has changed my life and also my family's life. And it's a business model called affiliate marketing, and it could also be known as digital marketing. Now, the cool thing about affiliate marketing is the reason why it's the easiest and the simplest way to start making money online to me is because you don't have to deal with inventory because the products are all digital. You won't have to worry about paying storage fees like I was doing at Amazon FBA or drop shipping, and you don't have to have support or your own customer support and worry about customers, everything, because the products that you'll be promoting comes with all that, and that company handles all of that for you. You won't have to do any of the selling yourself. All you got to do is just refer people to the product, and the company does all the selling on their websites and everything. And most importantly, you won't have to ship any products to anybody. It's all digital, like I said. It's just all automated. It goes through email, all like downloadable content. And the best thing that you might like is that you don't have to create products. The products are already created. The websites, the courses, the ebooks, whatever it is that you're promoting is already done for you. All you're doing is just sending traffic. You're sending eyeballs to those websites. And once those people arrive there, that company takes over and does everything else for you after that. Also, you can just invest a little bit of your time each week or each day so you don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job. There's also not a large upfront cost, or it's just a low upfront cost to get started. In some cases, you don't have to pay any money at all. And it's probably the best business model for beginners because you don't need really any serious skills in order to just get started. So that's why I'm very excited, because during this series, I'm going to be showing you how you can start your own affiliate marketing business. And more importantly, what's also cool is I'm going to give you all the free training, all the tools, and all the free software to show you how to start your affiliate marketing business so that you can learn this and start working on this even while you're working your 9-to-5 job. So once you start making money, you can quit your 9-to-5 job. job. So if you're excited about learning affiliate marketing, I want you to take the time now in the comments of this video and put in, I want to quit my 9-to-5 job. And also in the next video of this series, I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do to get started in affiliate marketing the right way so you can avoid all the mistakes that I made. And also, if you stick around for the entire series, I'm going to show you the skills on how you can copy and clone my exact system for your own business and use it as your own business yourself. So make sure you watch this entire series so that you can learn all the skills you need, because you need to learn the skills first. So if you're super excited, once again, I want you to comment down below this video, I want to quit my 9-to-5 job. And make sure you give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want to get more content like this about how to create infinite passive income. As always, you guys, I need you to stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.